Hello everyone, this will be lesson 3 part 2 in Primavera 6 and we will talk about OBS, Organizational Breakdown Structure. From Enterprise we go to Organizational Breakdown Structure to add our managers and responsible people. We can start OBS name. We can make here general manager, and here we can add description and also here users. If general manager use Primavera 6, we add here login name and project executive profile, and here responsibility of project manager. So this is ABS, he will be responsible, and we can assign from ABS. Okay, now general manager, we add construction manager, and also we can add oil and gas manager, oil and gas manager, and also you can control levels. We have infrastructure manager, and also we can add project manager, planning engineer, electrical engineer, and we have example in our topics in forums. So this is enough for example. And here general, here users. If infrastructure manager use Primavera 6, so we can add here login name for him and also project security profile, and here responsibility, his responsibility. Now there is no responsibility because we did not assign any ABS. So the OBS supports large projects which involve several projects managers with different area of responsibility. So the OBS can assign to EBS nodes and also projects and WBS element and risks, issues, also thresholds to specify responsibility. So now we close, and also for example if here we can make it under oil and gas. If we add like project manager, we can also planning manager. Now we close and back to EBS. For example, now about Arab construction, here general manager, so we change it to construction. Yes, now he will be responsible for oil and gas. Sorry, we add oil and gas, and for infrastructure we assign infrastructure manager, and here we can assign chart view, and also if we have a lot of ABS we can find here quick find, and columns we can add ABS or remove ABS columns. Responsible manager, that's responsible manager, we add it. And here if we want to change font or colors, and now we close and we open organizational breakdown structure again. So after we assign ABS, now if we go to responsibility for oil and gas, so now it appear here also and also here. So we close and take quick example. If we start projects, select ABS, so it will be project name training, tower, planning start, responsible manager. So all this appear here, so we can put it construction manager, or we can add in organizational breakdown structure, we can add project manager and assign here. So this is just for example to see finish, to see organizational breakdown structure. If we go to risk also, here in general he will ask us about responsible manager. Also we add here, we can change from here. So in organizational breakdown structure we must add risk manager, planning manager, all responsible people we add it. Then we can assign for each type, for risk, for issues, responsible manager, also thresholds, responsible manager. So we're back to home, and this is the end of lesson 3 part 2.